All right, everyone is here. We got our floats blown up, getting a drink, found a spot in the shade. The beach is getting packed. We're at the Sheep's Crossing recreational area, and we will have to carry it a pretty far way down to get to the river. It's so pretty out here. It's 9 in the morning and it's already so hot. Fell. Okay, ready, Lincoln? 1, 2, 3. Woo!
And just hold one of them. Are you in a 1 or 2 on the back?
Man, that's the job I need. That's the conservation police, fish and game, whatever you might call them. Lucky, that's what I call them.
Look at him! Hi!
Is it Miles Morales? Yes. Okay, your turn. Look, how do you guys think this is super hard? What?
Okay, we are in the truck. We're loaded up and heading home. The river was beautiful. It is 12:36 right now. What, Lincoln?
Hello.
Say hi. Did you have fun at the river?
Yes.
What did you do? Oh, what are you eating?
A donut.
A donut. Hi, Grandma.
Hi, honey.
Did you have fun at the river?
Oh, yes, nice and hot.
It was so hot. So yeah, we are gonna head home and just chill out
For the rest of our life.
for the rest of our life.
That sounds like a deal. Never going to another single place or this car ever again.
No more road trips for us, Lincoln says.
I totally agree.
everyone had a good day outside today. Now I don't have to feel so guilty when they go home and watch screens. It was Kylan's favorite. He loved the water. He didn't want to get out. He kept pointing out to it to go back. And what?
Don't know.
And the water was freezing cold. Even colder than snow.
The water was colder than snow. It was cold, but only until you get in it, and then you get used to it. That is true, see? We got some drama out here on the road. Uh-oh. Oh, wait. She had the cop pulled over? Is that what
He's like, it's too hot. You come to my car.